Hello everyone, welcome to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online platform. Today we are starting chapter number 9, Log on to Animate CC. Let's start it. What is Animate? Adobe Animate is a multimedia authoring and computer animation program developed by Adobe System. So basically, Adobe Animation is a multimedia and computer animation program. Multi means more than one, and media means source of communication. Basically, this software is used to create the animation. You can create the games, you can create the websites, you can create the cartoons. So basically, it allows a user to create interactive animations. Animate is now commonly used to create games, to create cartoons, websites, etc. So this is Animate workspace. You can see here. This is our Adobe Animate CC window. Let's discuss all the components of Adobe Animate. The first one, that is menu bar. The topmost bar of each and every window is called title bar, and the second one you can look at here, this one, file, edit, view, insert, modify text. This bar is called menu bar. Menu bar is a bar that contains various menus, and when you will click on any menu, then it will display sub menus. Like if you want to open a file, you will click on file menu and then you will get the option open. Same like that, if you want to open a new file, you will click on file and then new. So it contains sub menus. By clicking on sub menu, you can perform the action. Next one, you can look at here, tool panel. This is tool panel. At the right side, you can look at here, it is called tool panel. A tool panel contains a set of tools that are used to draw something. If you want to select any part or any component, you can select that one. If you want to select a particular shape, or if you want to modify any object, you can use any tool. Like in paint, you can use various tools. So same like that, here are also tools available. You can draw, or you can select, or you can modify the object. This is our properties panel. You can look at here, these are the properties, these are the properties. This is my property panel. Property panel basically display the various properties of your selected object. For example, if you have selected rectangular shape, then it will show the properties of rectangle. Now you have selected the stage area, then it will show the properties of stage. If you want to modify, if you want to do any changes, you can do it by using the properties of the selected object. Like if you want to change the width of your stage area, then here is W for width and H for height. So if you want to change the default setting of the selected object, you can do it by using the property panel. This is our stage area. It is the white color rectangular box you can see here. This is the stage area. It is a rectangular workspace where you can place any content. You can create your drawing. You can create your movie. For example, you are taking any tool like text box. Firstly, you will select it, and after that, you will draw it here. Same like that, if you have used the pen or pencil or rectangular box, you have selected it. After that, you will draw it the stage area. So whatever creation you will do, that will display in your stage area. So let's start it. How we can start the Adobe Animate. So let's start it. So firstly, what you will do, you will click on the start button. Firstly, what you will do, you will click on the start button, and after that you just open Adobe Animate. You can look it here, Adobe Animate 2020 is here. You just click on Adobe Animate 2020. In place of Adobe Animate, you can use Adobe Flash also. That is also a multimedia software that is used to create the animation. So you can install that one software also. So when you will click on Adobe Animate, you can look at here. Now this software is opening now. So Adobe Flash is same as Adobe Animate. So you can use Adobe Flash also. Only the appearance of your window will be the different. All the tools and all the properties and everything will be same. And the bottommost side, you can see that one is the Adobe Timeline. This is our Adobe Timeline. I'm showing to you. The bottommost side, you can look at here. This is our timeline. Timeline is located at the bottom of the window. Timeline is located at the bottom of the window. This one is our timeline. Timeline, you can see it, look at here. It is divided into frame, like this is my first frame 0 to 5. And after that, you can look at here 5 to 10. So you can see different frames are here. So it is the area that is basically used to create the animation. If you want to change the timing for the animation, you can use this timeline. If you want to change the sequences and timing of your graphic or animation, or you can say elements in your movie, that time you can use this timeline. Different frames are there. So by using this frame, you can create your animation. You can change the timing of the animation. So let's start it. How to do it? So when you will click on Adobe Animate, then firstly you can look at here, click on File menu and then click on New. And the shortcut key for New is Control plus N. When you will click on New option, or when you will press the shortcut key Control plus N, then you can look at here, the new document will be opened. So by default it is in HD form and platform type is ActionScript 3.0. Just click on the create button to create a new document. When you will click on the create button, a new document will be created. When you will install this software, you can get a free trial for 7 days. So you just look at here, when you have clicked on the new and then create option, you can see here a new document has been opened. New document has been opened in front of you. So this is my menu bar. This one is the menu bar, file, edit, view, modify. When you will click on any menu, then you can see here various submenus will be opened. If you want to open any existing file, click on open, new. If you want to open a new file, like that. So this white color box you can look at here. This is the stage area. This is your stage area where you can make your drawing, you can create your movie. By using this stage, you can perform that action. This is my properties. This is the properties, like at present stage is activated, so you can look at here. This is the property of stage. If you want to change the width, height, so what you will do, you just by backspace delete that one, and whatever width you want to give for your stage area, give that width, and whatever height you want to give the height. So the white area you can look at here. Now this one is my stage area. This one is the stage area. This one is my stage area, this white color box, because I have changed the width and height. By default, stage background color is white. If you want to change the background color, click on stage under the properties. Then whatever color you want to give, you just click on that particular color. That background color will be changed. This is FPS frame per second. If you want to change this, so you can change this one also. This is our timeline. At the bottom side, you can see here, this is the timeline. And each timeline you can see here, this timeline is divided into the frames. These are the frames. Timeline is mainly used when you create the animation. If you want to change the timing of the animation, if you want to change the sequencing of the animation, so that time you will use the timeline. So how to do it, how we can use the tools, look at here, these are the tools panel. This one, this is the tool panel, like you have seen in the paint also. So various tools are there. If you want to draw anything, you can use the tools. So various tools are available. By using the tools, you can draw something, you can select the object, you can modify your object. So this is the tool panel. In the next video, we will discuss about some tools from the tool panel.